What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. And today guys, we're just giving you guys a quick little view of what's going on here in Portmore again. And for some time now, you guys would have heard about Wihcon in Westchester. So yes, Wihcon is back in Portmore, but this time they're on the closer end to the toll. So you know that a lot of persons are going to love this because you have less traffic to get in and out of your homes. All right. So guys, today we're just going to give you a quick drive through from Portmore Mall to the development, and I'll give you guys a quick aerial view of what's going on over that side. There's not much to report on at the moment, so you guys can definitely stick around to the channel for updates on this development. So far we know that it's going to be 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse units, and you guys can go on to Wihcon's website. You can sign up, put in your details, and they'll provide you guys with updates once they come out, as well as you know what to do. Stick around to this channel. If you're new, just subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and once the information is out there, then we'll definitely give that to you guys. So far all we know is that these units are going to be townhouses, assuming that they're going to be similar to those that are already done in Greater Portmore by the shopping center. You guys can also go on the website and do your reading on those, as well as they also did some townhouses recently in the Harborview community. So definitely more than likely they're going to be the same concept, the same design, as it's also 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So you guys can still go on and look on previous videos for those developments to give you guys an idea of what it is that they can expect from this development, but we'll give you the information once we get them. Thank you guys so much for making ChriSamz one more time. Come with us on this drive-through tour, as well as this aerial view of the property. So you can't tell me, say after this video, you don't know where to locate this development in Westchester, right? So guys, we'll definitely give you guys the information once they're available, but you have to do your part. So remember, the journey continues with ChriSamz. Remember to watch out for the ads so that they can help us to generate some revenue to go around and give you guys these videos. And remember, like always, we give you the best, we give you the facts, and we won't give you what is not out there. So thank you guys for making it ChriSamz. Enjoy this short video, and we'll definitely catch you guys in another one. All right?
Yeah.
Portmore Mall. Passage Fort. Portmore Drive.
No.
Westchester Drive.
Yeah. No. No.